There we go. And who the hell is this around? Well, it took about 5 minutes to get this thing going. God damn. Jeez. Hey, I'm here though. All right. All right, let's get it going. Let's get it going. Let's uh let's see if we could stop. All right, that's what's up. Here we go. Here we go. Let's take a look and see how it does. All right, we are 5 minutes in. Hey, thanks for checking it out. What's going on? Welcome into the channel. This will be titled The Insurance Discussion. It's what we talk about, it's what we do, it's what this channel is all about. This is for those people that are interested in getting into insurance, people that are already a part of the insurance industry, and for agents, anybody that wants to know, somebody going through a claim, somebody that is looking to shop, save on their insurance. This channel's for you. If you've been denied, you're trying to figure out why the hell these rates are so high. That's what we do here. So I'm going to educate people. I'm going to bring you the definitions in insurance. I'm going to bring you demonstrations of it. And then I'm also going to have some games that we can watch, play, and learn from, right? This is more of an educational, entertaining, and answering type of question answering, right? So we're going to answer questions, educate you, and entertain you. All right. First show. Still trying to figure it out. We'll figure it out sooner or later. We got one person watching. Guess who it is? Your boy. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's talk about it. All right, so today we are talking about understanding the liability insurance. So we're going to talk about an important but often overlooked part of insurance, liability coverage. Liability insurance is your financial protection if you're held legally responsible for causing injury to a person or property damages. Whether you're driving, whether you're at home, or whether you're just out and about, there's all kinds of things that could happen to you on a daily basis that would cause you to be held legally liable for damaging someone else or their property. So when you think about car liability, that's just the standard mandatory coverage that you have to have on the road, right? Like you can't get on the road without saying, hey, I'm willing to protect your vehicle. The state, the government, no one cares whether or not you protect your vehicle. You have to be on the road willing to protect other people. Now, that's where auto loans come in, right? If you've got an auto loan or if you've got some kind of a vehicle that you still feel has some value, that's where the extra coverage is like comprehensive and collision come in, where you're saying, hey, if something happens to my car, I care about it and want it fixed as well. But the good God, boy, that internet coverage up here is shoddy. It's, it's bad. It's bad. It's really bad. Look, I'm wearing these headphones so I can kind of hear what I sound like inside of the mic. But hey, this is what it is. I'm going to be doing the show similar like this. I'll probably be wearing some sort of a lavalier mic in the future. But for me, this was more about getting the StreamYard account, getting used to setting it up, seeing how everything works. This is, I'll be honest with you, this is different. right? And so they've got something here where I want to share a screen, right? And it's, hey, don't show me that anymore. I don't need to see that. But I want to show you something, and I want to see if I can allow it to play, right? So we're going to share this, and how do we want to do it? We want to do it like that. Oh man, that was sweet. It automatically went over to that. So that's what we want to talk about. Liability. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look what he just did to the UPS man. My man was just minding his business at work. See, he was probably whistling. And now, look at it. Going home. Oh, broke leg, back hurt, packages jacked up. He probably had 5 minutes left on his shift. Guess what? Guess what? It's gonna be taking a little bit longer than what he thought. He will not be going home so fast. I'll tell you that. Well, on the liability portion of what we're talking about, let's take a look at this. Thank goodness there was a camera that actually caught this. It looked like the car that hit the UPS was going a little bit too fast and not paying attention. Maybe he was texting on the phone. Who knows what it was? You could clearly see there was a car in the other lane, and somehow he veered off in between these two lanes to hit this UPS truck. So the accident is his fault. It's not the UPS driver's fault. Now, what kind of liability are we talking about? State minimum may not cover this, right? Let's go back and look at that. I think the glass shattered on the front part of this UPS truck as well. But when you talk about liability, it comes in levels, right? And most people trying to save money want to go for something like basic liability. They want to bring in something where it's like, hey, I just want to save some money. Get me what the state says I have to have, 30, 60, 25. And that's all I want. I don't want anything else. Don't try to sell me anything else. But guess what? You do this. You do this. You have a situation like this where you end up hitting someone and damaging a UPS truck. You damage the individual. You probably damage the package on the inside. Do you think $30,000 is going to cover his medical? Maybe. It would be $60,000 max if there were multiple people. But the last is really what I want to focus on, which is property damage, right? The liability property damage. We think that hitting that UPS truck that fast with all the packages inside is going to be less than $25,000. Type 1 in the chat if you think it's going to be less than $25,000. Type 2 in the chat if you think it's going to be more than $25,000. Let's go ahead. Go ahead. Type in your answer, people. Tell me what you think. Now, the truth is, we have no idea how much it's going to cost. But, for example, let's say getting that truck fixed, right? Because he moved that truck. That is a heavy truck that got moved out of screen. Right? So, if we're to guesstimate and say, oh, okay, what if it only cost $50,000? Well, you had 30, 60, 25, which meant you only had $25,000 to cover something like this. That's where the extra $25,000 is going to come from. That's right. Out of his tush, his backside, his eyes, his nalgas, as they were saying, Espanol. Goddamn shame. All right, let's talk about some versions of liability when it comes to home insurance, right? Let's bring it back. We're talking about what you're going to be responsible for paying someone else if you mess up. That's what liability is. Okay. Now let's go ahead and move into. Let's see. I'm gonna have to start getting these clips zoomed up and ready. I think that's gonna end the issue if I try to cue them up on the spot. They kind of have to already be set and ready to go. So let's go back. We're going to find us a homeowner's version of liability. I've got all kinds of stuff on here. So I know I've got something on the channel that I can show you related to homeowners. Let's see, what do we got? I've got a great one. I've got a really good one that I want to show you, and we'll make a decision and talk about this, okay? Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I just saw this. I apologize, people. I thought I had my channel more under control where I knew where the videos were, but apparently I don't know jack shit. I don't know jack shit about this channel. All right, let's see. There was one I really, really wanted to show you guys. So just hang tight for me, and I will ensure that in the future I have these things already queued up and ready to go. I cannot believe I do not have this video. So I wanted to show you guys something to do with homeowners insurance. And I literally just saw the video, and now I don't have the video. Let's try videos. And I don't have any video. Where the hell are, oh, I hid all my videos. I hid them. That's right. And the reason I hid them is because some of them contain things that YouTube may not consider suitable for moving me into monetization. And so I've decided that those videos will be for like a members only type of thing. So you'll get a chance to see my original content if you become a member to the channel. And right now, membership's free. So just subscribe and like, goddamn. Come on now. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. I'll show you guys a video of who was upset with his wife decided wanted to take that. Yes, I can't find that one. What we do is we will go a different video of home insurance. Right. So what we are going to say is okay, I'm going to add to the stage.